for GE, it's important that we're constantly developing the next generation of talent, specifically in this area as we think about skilled machinists. And so it's both the process of partnering in the local community with the technical and vocational schools, as well as hiring external talent that maybe has been machining for many, many years and training them around the processes that we have here at GE Aviation in Lynn. What we do is go to the local vocational schools and ultimately share information about what we do here at GE.
We guide the students through the processes of becoming a machinist. Daily, we are either in the classroom doing related work. We had one of our students go over there and interview here at Lynn Tech, did get hired, and he's been working there ever since, which is a good thing. We're hoping to get at least one more of our students, maybe 4, 5, or 6. These kids grew up in the city. They grew up with GE right down the street. For them to be able to walk down the street and say, hey, I work there. What a great feeling that would be for them. What a great feeling for us to be able to say our students are working at GE.
I was excited about it, really excited. I know that there is a gap in the industry in terms of machinists, and I know that we have a ready-made program here with deserving young people who have chosen precision machining, and so I see this as a wonderful coming together of both meeting student needs and industry needs.
We've been lucky in that we've had the ability to bring in, technical talent to help develop, this next generation of machinists.
Coming into GE, it taught me not only hands-on experience, but more life skills, like communication and just working with people. It's a sense of pride knowing that it's going to go into a real engine, which goes into a real plane, and a real person's going to drive it. I am paving the way for the people at my school, Lynn Tech, and that's what keeps me going, because I want to see my school do better. I want to see my community do better, my city do better.
So you talked to Louis earlier, and he's going to work here, and he's going to go to North Shore Community College. He'll take that class, pass the class, he'll come in here and General Electric will pay for it. You can't beat that for a scholarship program.
This site has been here for well over 100 years and is really a landmark for folks in the community. So it's important to us that, as we think about the next generation of talent, that this is the hub that it's always been for providing, the workforce here, longevity and career.